Get ready, Samsung fans, mark your calendars. Samsung has made it official. The Galaxy S24 series will be introduced at their Unpacked 2024 event on January 17. Samsung posted a teaser video with the title Galaxy AI is coming. Now, let's take a look at the first official teaser of the Galaxy S24 series from Samsung.
Phones were so different back in the day.
Remember?
That's crazy. I'm calling you from the back of the taxi.
Then came.
TV phones?
Yep. They got bigger and smarter. Stronger, even. Then they became more than phones. I mean, who would have thought the flip phone would make a comeback?
So, what's next?
Well, who knows?
Samsung has also posted the invitation teaser on his YouTube channel. Let's take a look. Not just the teaser, Samsung is now taking early reservations for the Galaxy S24 series, and if you reserve one ahead of time, you can get a discount on it. If you want to get the new Galaxy S24 and save some money, you can visit Samsung's website to reserve it in advance. Samsung will give you a $50 credit if you do. Don't worry, reserving it now won't cost you anything. You just need to provide your name and email. If you decide to buy the phone after it's announced, you can use the $50 credit on Samsung's store. When Samsung released the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Z Fold 5, they allowed people to use this credit for those phones, and they might do the same for the Galaxy S24 series. After the official announcement, the devices will probably be available for pre-order shortly. If you pre-order, you can expect some perks like getting double the storage for free and receiving a discount coupon for either the Galaxy Buds FE or the Galaxy Watch, depending on where you are located. It's a good incentive to pre-order if you're interested in those accessories. The Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus will come in 4 colors: black, purple, white, and yellow. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will also have 4 colors. This confirms the previously rumored date, and we now have confirmation that this is when the next flagship lineup will be unveiled. It's an exciting announcement for Samsung enthusiasts. Samsung changed its Unpacked event strategy last year by hosting these events in different cities each time. The previous Unpacked event, where they announced the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5, was held in Seoul, South Korea. However, for the Galaxy S24 series, they've chosen San Jose, California, as the location for the event. This shows their willingness to showcase their products in various locations around the world. The event will happen at the SAP Center in San Jose, starting at 10 o'clock AM PT/1 o'clock PM ET. But don't worry if you can't attend in person, as Samsung will stream the event on their YouTube and other channels, just like they've done in the past. So you can still catch all the excitement online. During the event, there will be a lot of attention on something called Galaxy AI. It's a set of smart features that Samsung is introducing with the Galaxy S24 series. They're really focusing on artificial intelligence. Both the Exynos 2400 and Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipsets, which are the brains of the phones, have some serious AI capabilities. This AI stuff means the phones can do cool things like translate languages in real time during phone calls, make images bigger, create wallpapers, and summarize notes in Samsung Notes. People are especially curious to see how Samsung uses AI to make the camera features on the Galaxy S24 Ultra even better, as this phone is their camera star for 2024. Yesterday, we also saw the official leaked marketing poster of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It appears that several retail stores in Brazil have started showcasing the Galaxy S24 Ultra through posters. You can see the slogan there. It will be "Galaxy AI is here" in English. The leaked poster shows a quad rear camera. To my regular viewers, you're probably familiar with this, so feel free to move on to the next video. But if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on future content. Now let's dive straight into it. The standard Galaxy S24 will come equipped with a 6.2-inch, 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display boasting a resolution of 2340 by 1080. It will make use of Samsung's latest M13 OLED panels, shielded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with Aluminium 2.0 for added durability. For selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole front camera. Turning to the back, the phone features a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. In the USA and South Korea, it will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while the European variants will run on the Exynos 2400. The device offers 8 GB of RAM and storage choices of 128 GB or 256 GB, using UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 houses a 4,000 mAh battery supporting 25-watt fast charging. Connectivity options include 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, the phone is expected to be released in February 2024 with an estimated price range of $850 to $900. Introducing the Galaxy S24 Plus, featuring an impressive 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. It showcases an upgraded Quad HD Plus resolution of 3120 by 1440, incorporating Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with Aluminium 2.0 for added durability. For selfies, a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera takes the spotlight. On the back, you'll find a powerful camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. In the USA and South Korea, it's equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while European models run on the Exynos 2400. The phone offers a substantial 12 gigs of RAM and storage choices of 256 gigs or 512 gigs, utilizing UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 Plus features a robust 4,900 mAh battery supporting 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity options include 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, the expected price for this device is around $1,050. Now let's explore the flagship of the lineup, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Introducing the Galaxy S24 Ultra, showcasing a generous 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a crisp resolution of 3088 by 1440. It incorporates Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by the durable Gorilla Glass Victus 2. For capturing stunning selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the back, the phone features an outstanding camera setup, including a 200-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with an impressive 10x optical zoom. Contrary to earlier rumors, it is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 across all regions, distinguishing it from the S24 and S24 Plus, which stick with the Exynos. The S24 Ultra offers a substantial 12 gigs of RAM with storage choices of 256, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte storage, leveraging UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 Ultra houses a robust 5,000 mAh battery supporting swift 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity features encompass 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, this premium device is anticipated to launch with an approximate price tag of $1,250. So overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra introduces a fresh design with enhanced durability and a significantly brighter display. With upgraded hardware and numerous new AI features, the inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all Ultra models appears to be a smart move by Samsung. The overall improvements across the entire lineup suggest that these phones are poised for success. While the similarities to the predecessor might not entice S23 Ultra owners to rush for an upgrade, the S24 series is an excellent choice for those with older S phones or those considering their first S phone. As we approach the launch, more details will likely surface, and I'll continue to share them as soon as they become available. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any updates in the future. Share your opinions in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next update. Until next time, peace out.